Let everyone clearly understand that today in India, a son and a daughter have absolutely no difference as far as their right in the properties are concerned, which they stand to inherit from their parents. There is no difference between the rights of a son's child and a daughter's child. There is no difference between the grandchild of a son and the grandchild of a daughter. So, daughters and son stand at equal platform. Hindu Succession Act, the Indian Succession Act, Hindu because it actually involves a whole lot of other religions as well, is the main act or law to which the succession rights in India belongs. Under the Hindu Succession Act 1956, there was initially rights were not devolved on the woman once she gets married. All that stood, changed and amended. Section 6 of the Hindu Succession Act got amended in 2005 when women were given equal rights, and from then on the process of women inheriting the properties in India started. However, there has been a radical new change, which is that our Honorable Supreme Court has come with absolutely landmark judgments in cases where they have declared and gone a step further to make sure there is no ambiguity on women's right. In the latest judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, they have made it absolutely clear that even if a woman was born before 1956, what to talk of 2005 when this act was amended and women were included, even if she was born 1956 and the case is in the court today, she will get equal rights. A lot of lawyers, a lot of cases and a lot of judgments had come previously where there was a lot of confusion and appeals were filed, not understanding that whether this was applicable only post 2005, whether it was only applicable on women who were born after 2005 and not to those who were born prior to 2005. All that has been put to rest by this latest judgment of the Supreme Court, where they said forget 2005. Even if you're born before 1956, when our country got independent in 47 and the law was framed in 1956, a woman stands to have absolutely a full and equal right to that of the son. I hope there is no more queries on that. How you're going to get it, how you're going to access it is now your call. Please do not think just because you're a woman and you're asking for a property, you're not well within your rights. And please, all the males, all the persons who think they are doing the women a favor by letting them a bit or a piece of property, let it be known that they're not doing anybody a favor. A woman can go and exercise her rights and get her fair share in a father's property. And I would really advise you, if you love your daughters, if you think women should get equal rights, then also please claim your rights. To those women who do not want to do so for the pressure of the society and the thinking that we have in the society, to those women I would say, do claim your right and then give it as a gift to your brothers. Do not just leave or not demand. Take your right, exercise your right, and then be generous if you want and gift it to them. I'm not trying to create any confusion in the family upbringings. I'm only telling you what the law says in India today. The law is there. You can go and research it. Even if you do not understand anything, please feel free and happy to send us a query at NRI Legal Services, and we would be most happy to answer all your queries regarding the women's right and properties in India, absolutely free of charge. If you want to email me, just write on to my team. I will have a personal look at your query and reply to you what is your situation and how you can claim your right in the property. If you like these videos, if you find this information useful, please subscribe to our channel. My team works very hard to bring this information to you. It'll be hugely motivating for them as well. Like, subscribe, share this information. I do feel very encouraged at your responses. Thank you.